In the fervor of the 7 Years' War, a pivotal moment unfolded on the icy shores of Quebec, Canada, in 1759. The mighty British General James Wolfe, a mastermind of strategy and a visionary in the face of adversity, assembled his troops with unwavering resolve. On the opposite side, the French commander, Louis-Joseph Montcalm, a seasoned veteran, braced himself, knowing that the fate of New France hung in the balance. The two leaders, each with their unique approaches to war, prepared for a decisive confrontation that would echo through history. The winter of 1758 to 1759 was harsh, testing the mettle of both armies. Yet, Wolfe, undeterred, devised a plan to scale the steep cliffs of the Heights of Abraham, a strategic position overlooking Quebec City. His audaciousness would either be his undoing or the key to victory. As the first light of dawn broke over the horizon on September 13, 1759, Wolfe's forces embarked on their ascent. The treacherous climb tested their courage and physical strength, but the promise of victory kept them pressing forward. The French, caught off guard by the unexpected attack, struggled to regroup. Montcalm, aware of the precarious situation, hastily organized his troops to defend the city. The air buzzed with tension as the two forces collided in a brutal display of martial prowess. The battle raged for hours, with neither side gaining a decisive advantage. It was then that Wolfe himself fell, struck down by a musket ball. His death sent a wave of sorrow through the British ranks, but his soldiers, fueled by their commander's unwavering spirit, pressed on. In the end, it was the sheer determination of the British troops that tipped the scales. As the sun set on the battlefield, Quebec City lay in ruins, and the dream of New France crumbled. The 7 Years' War had taken a significant turn, and the British flag now flew proudly over the Heights of Abraham. The consequences of this historic battle were far-reaching. The French defeat marked the end of their colonial empire in North America, paving the way for British dominance. The impact of this turning point in history can still be felt today, as the legacy of the Battle of Quebec continues to shape the cultural and political landscape of North America.